They look like professionals. Aye. She can. Yeah, where's your twirl? I got it. Every time you hit the ping pong, do a bounce.
Yes, we know that.
Hang on, no, that was red. The red sofa that was there is in here.
Oh, so that's...
Notice, because there's another black sofa there. Play! Oh, like if this was real, the crowd would be going boo. Or either laughing. Who is it? Come on, Charlotte.
We kept doing this here for festival. Here, festival, here, festival, here.
Festival.
No, we kept catching them. Come on, Charlotte.
Come on. Injure yourself so we can go to hospital. Hole in one. Woo. Who's the... Wait. Oh, look at that, boys. Give us a little. Wait. Whee! Oh, a bit of stripping going on. And a bit of... For the boys. Keep going, Charlotte. It's a good job I didn't hit over here.
Wait, Chelsea, watch. No, stay hard.
Just Where are them two gone? Are they still going to reappear somewhere?
There's just some stairs right there, Chelsea. Seriously.
None of them. Oh, where are they? Where are they? Hey. Ooh. It looks like the round's going to go to who? It went to Hayley. One. Ult one.